Hey everyone! So this is an exciting time. One thing I've noticed over the years is that whenever anyone gives or gets information and advice on fursuit making, it's usually only applicable to those living in America and for some reason a large community in Australia, but I've never seen any guides for Canada. Now, there will always be those people who will point you to online shops for fur and supplies, but the shipping to Canada will cost you an arm and a leg, so that's kind of frustrating. There's not really a good online supplier in Canada. But on May 25th, all of your problems are going to be solved. I'll have a budget of $100 and literally no pre-existing supplies, and I'm going to do a video and a live stream of a budget fursuit head build for those of you living in Canada and wanting to get into fursuiting. I'll be posting pictures of all the receipts in the video, and I'll take a video in each store so that you know exactly what we're getting. Basically, this is going to be a guide for beginner and novice suitors who either can't pay a lot, don't want to pay a lot, or simply just prefer shopping locally. The goal is to go to as few shops as possible, and so far I've narrowed it down to 3, but we're going to see if we can cut it down to 2. I'll be posting a supply list for those of you who want to know exactly what we are getting. And for those of you who came here for the word raffle, don't worry, I'm getting to that now. In honor of this being a budget build, I will be raffling off the head instead of outright selling it, as it will, through design, just not be quite as high quality as my normal suits. And this raffle is not limited to people in Canada. This is worldwide. Raffle tickets are $1 each and are payable through my PayPal link, which will be the first link in the description. When you pay, please include your preferred name for the announcement, and it doesn't have to be your real name, just the best way that you'd like to hear your name announced. Also, please include the best way to contact you upon winning. So, for example, your email address, your Instagram username, Amino, etc., etc. Last chance for tickets will be June 22nd. That means I'll give everyone just over a month to get involved. There will be a hashtag for it, which will be posted on my Instagram. You can follow that link in the description below. I will also be giving away the supply box to one lucky Canadian. So if you're a beginner maker in Canada, hit me up on any of my social media links listed below and let me know what you would make with the supplies, and I'll be choosing the winner also on June 22nd. I hope that will provide a good guide to Canadian makers, as well as being a community event to bring our furry family closer. I hope to see you all on May 25th for the live stream, and best luck to everyone. Once again, I would like to thank my patron Jupiter, and if you want to join them in having your name heard at the end of every video, please check out my patron link in the description below. Have a good night, everyone, and I will see you in about 2 weeks.